Do you watch other YouTube channels and do you feel like they have their homeschools all together? The kids are perfect, they don't misbehave, they do their work exactly as they're told. Well, today I'm going to share with you the struggle is real, guys. We definitely have struggles too. Hey guys, it's Fanny from Mrs. Mom's Homeschool and welcome to my channel. And if you're new here, I am a homeschooling mom. I've been homeschooling since 2012 and I make videos to help you on your homeschooling journey. So please take a minute to subscribe and support my channel if you like the content and you like what you see. In today's video, I just want to lighten things up a bit. I do a lot of videos showing homeschool day in the life videos, and I get a lot of comments on how well behaved my children are and how everything seems to flow together so easily, and that some of you guys are having struggles and troubles doing the same, or your kids may not be cooperating. And I wanted to let you guys know that it's not like that all day long at all, ever. Actually, when I shoot those day in the life videos, I'm cutting out all of the extra things, and today I'm putting them all in so that you guys can see all the different interruptions that we have on a normal homeschool day. These are things that I don't add into my other videos because that's not the focus of the video. The focus of the video is to show our daily schedule or to show a curriculum or to show how we do things. But today I wanted to just share with you guys, the struggle is real, guys. And here is a little clip. I had my kids help me out for this and I really hope that you guys enjoy it. Good morning, guys.
Good morning, Mom.
Morning, Mom.
Now it's time to start our wonderful day of homeschooling.
Mom, I'll see the bathroom.
Go ahead.
Hey, Aaron.
Yeah?
Did you play these with Fortnite?
Guys, we're not talking about Fortnite. Focus on your work, okay? Aaron, stop spinning that and please do your work. I'll be right there, Aralyn. Kaylee, are you doing your schoolwork?
Mm-hmm.
Kaylee, this is not schoolwork. Get back to work. Coming! Aaron, you don't need 16 pencils to do your writing, okay? Just choose one. Okay, Kaylee, I'm gonna have to ask you to go sit at your desk, please. Kaylee, there's no screen time during school. All right, got one nice and focused.
Well, listen, you need to make sure that we can monetize as much as we can. That's obviously...
Babe, can you have your conversation upstairs, please? We're trying to have a school day.
Hold on, guys. Hold on.
Aaron!
Mom, is it lunchtime?
Aralyn, you just had breakfast. Aaron, get back to sitting down.
Mom, how many sodas do you have left?
Really, Aaron? We just started school, so you have the whole day ahead of you. He lives with his parents in a mud brick house. We're not far. Aralyn, you'll be okay. It's all right.
I'm hungry. Yeah, is it snack time yet?
Are you guys kidding me? You literally just ate breakfast 30 minutes ago.
I'm starving.
You're always hungry. Guys, come out from under the table. Aaron, put away those toys and continue with your lesson, please. So, Aralyn, when you have 10 take away 8, you know that 8 plus 2 make 10. So 10 take away 8 is
2.
very good. Okay, you understand it? Got it? All right, go do your worksheet.
Mom, I need help.
Aralyn, you just said you knew how to do it. Aralyn, when you finish your math, then you can play with your toys, okay?
Okay.
Go clean up those toys, please.
How many subjects are left?
Aaron, you just asked me that 5 seconds ago.
I need a blanket.
All right, get a blanket.
Mom, I need help setting this up.
Okay, I'll be right there.
Mom, I need help.
I'll be right back, okay? We hope you guys enjoyed that fun video. In the middle of the video, my oldest daughter had to go to volleyball practice. But I want to thank you guys for watching and just let you know the homeschool struggle is real. The kids interrupt a million times a day, but that's okay. Enjoy your time with them, enjoy teaching, enjoy the laughs, and it'll all be a memory one day, guys. Thank you guys for watching, and make sure to hit the subscribe button and the like button. Are you okay? If you like the video. See you in the next one.